Welcome guys, if you wanna use one-hand mode on your ALCATEL One X 2019, let's enter settings, then we have to click on the display, tap on the one-handed mode, click on it, and right now it's turned on, right? So what is here? There is the size. We can adjust the size of our one-hand mode, and we can also choose on the which side on the phone this is going to just pops, right? So we can stay on the left or just change on the right. I will stay with the left, and if you want to enter this mode, you have to click 2 times on the home button, and you have to tap quickly 2 times, right? So let me do this, and that's it. If you wanna just exit this mode, you have to click on the arena outside this this mode, right? And if you click on this arrow, we can also change the side on the right. So even if you don't change it here, you can also manage it even if you are in. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.